Where to find the best sites. Media playback software. Howdy. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to install the correct codec for WMV. These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to install the correct codec for WMV is windows.microsoft.com. See the page titled Codecs, Frequently Asked Questions, Windows Help. Here's the link. You can also try answers.microsoft.com, especially the page will not play WMV file says I don't have the right codec to. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-rank site ask.brothersoft.com. The web page how to install the correct codec for WMV, AC3 filter Q&A. This is the link.